So I'm doing a little work on the S10 here, something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I'm doing dual batteries. So as you might have noticed, I have my single battery back here. I have another one of these same batteries that I bought at the same time and was in a tractor. Well, that tractor's now sitting, so I yanked the battery out of it. And I bought these really nice battery boxes. Now these ones are actually to be welded on. You're supposed to take these and hang them onto a frame. Like if the fuel tank was the frame, they'd sit on there like that and you'd weld them on. Well, I'm just gonna cut them little ears off. Just come straight up, just cut it off, and paint the whole thing black. I think it'll look real sharp then. And once I do that, I'll get mounted up in here like that. It'll be nice and flush with the bed, and get the wiring. So let's get to it. So now that I have them all cut off, you can see I cut the tops off right there. They look really good that way. I decided not to cut them vertical, but cut them this way, and it looks much better. It's time to get some color on them. So they're all painted up, just waiting on them to dry a little bit more. They're still just a little on the tacky side. Yeah, they're still a little on the tacky side. So got the battery out, which that needs cleaned up. That's disgusting. Got my brackets all painted, so I'm gonna take one of these, set it in here, kind of figure out where the hell I'm gonna put it at. I don't know if I want them right up against or take this sucker. Oh boy, this fucker's heavy. Okay. Oh yeah, it looks good. Looks real good. And there'll be another one on this side, so I just need to see if I can. Is that gonna cause an issue? No, that'll work out good. Cool. Yes, that's how they're gonna mount. I'm just gonna keep them out just a little bit. Just line them up on this rib, I think. And it should mount up pretty nice. Grab the other one. Set it there. Yeah, so I'll line the back up with this line and the outside with this line. This will look really nice. And then as long as I keep the bolts out at the edges, they're not going to cause an issue with sitting on the battery. The battery won't be sitting on them. So that's good. So I'm going to skip to, I'm going to drill some holes and get the boxes mounted. And then I will get to drilling some, I got to drill the holes over here for my wires to run down through. So I gotta do that real fast, and then I'll get the batteries in. So I got both battery trays in. Both batteries are now sitting in. They're both Duralast Golds. Got these really nice little brackets that come with it in. They slid in there real nice. And now if you do bolt through the bottom like I did, you need to make sure it's not going to be underneath the battery. Because if it is, it will wear a hole in this and you will have acid everywhere and ruin the battery, or even short the battery or explode the battery. Now, if you have no other option and it's going to be below the battery, you need to put like foam or something in there to hold the battery above those bolts. That is totally fine to do that. You just need to make sure that those not riding on the bolts. So I'm going to go ahead and get some cables cut, crimped on. I already have my holes drilled over here. Obviously, I already had cables going in over there. So I just need to go underneath the truck. It shouldn't be more than a couple minutes now. So there we go. 2 batteries in, both mounted. One thing I don't like is how long these are. I'll have to cut those up a little bit. They come under all nice. Come over to my main disconnect. Everything's got power like it should. It's not over voltage. Nothing blew up when I turned the power on. So we're in good shape. So it started to rain, so I had to hurry up and shut up the trailer and get out of there. But here it is, all done and installed. The only thing don't like is the fact that obviously there's old holes from the way it used to be. But the 2 batteries look great. The asymmetrical of them, because their posts are actually swapped if you flip them. So both the positives are on the back. I love that. And I'm just excited to try them out. You know, I still have a charging post I need to put on. I'm gonna figure some out for that later on. But for now, this works totally fine. So I'm super happy with how it turned out, and hopefully it solves my issues and gives me a better chance to cool down in the lanes and once I'm back in the pits. So, like this video, please like and subscribe it, and I'll see you in the next one.